A captivating violet variety of quartz has been treasured for centuries for its exquisite beauty and profound spiritual significance. Its mesmerizing purple hues, ranging from pale lavender to deep indigo, have captivated hearts and minds, inspiring awe and wonder. Known as the Stone of Serenity, amethyst carries a gentle yet powerful energy that resonates deeply with the human spirit, inviting us to embark on a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Amethyst's association with tranquility and spiritual awareness stems from its ability to calm the mind, soothe the soul, and enhance intuition. Like a beacon of light in the darkness, amethyst illuminates our path, helping us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. This transformative power makes amethyst an invaluable tool for spiritual growth and emotional healing, helping us to release limiting beliefs, overcome negative patterns, and embrace our true potential. Whether you are drawn to its captivating color, its calming energy, or its spiritual significance, amethyst offers a sanctuary of peace and tranquility in a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming. Amethyst serves as a powerful catalyst for spiritual awakening, gently guiding us to explore the depths of our being and connect with our higher purpose. Its energy resonates strongly with the third eye chakra, located at the center of the forehead, which governs intuition, insight, and spiritual vision. By activating and balancing this chakra, amethyst enhances our ability to access our inner wisdom, receive guidance from the divine, and navigate life with greater clarity and purpose. Meditation with amethyst can be a deeply transformative experience, allowing us to quiet the mind, open our hearts, and connect with the divine presence within and around us. Holding an amethyst crystal during meditation can deepen our state of relaxation, enhance our focus, and facilitate profound spiritual insights. Amethyst's ability to enhance intuition makes it an invaluable tool for decision-making, problem-solving, and navigating life's complexities. By trusting our intuition and allowing ourselves to be guided by the wisdom of the universe, we can move forward with confidence and grace, knowing that we are always supported on our journey. Amethyst's gentle energy reminds us that we are all interconnected, and that by supporting each other on our spiritual journeys, we create a more harmonious and loving world for all. Amethyst, with its gentle yet powerful energy, is a master healer of the emotional body, offering solace, balance, and transformation. Its soothing vibrations help to alleviate stress, anxiety, and fear, creating a sense of peace and tranquility amidst life's storms. Amethyst's calming influence extends to the emotional realm, helping us to process difficult emotions, release past traumas, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and well-being. One of amethyst's most remarkable qualities is its ability to transmute negative energy into positive energy. This transformative power makes it an invaluable ally for overcoming grief, loss, and heartbreak. By gently releasing emotional blockages and promoting forgiveness, amethyst allows us to move through these challenging experiences with grace and resilience, emerging stronger and more compassionate on the other side. Amethyst encourages us to approach our relationships with love, compassion, and authenticity, fostering an environment of mutual respect, support, and growth. Beyond its ability to heal and balance our emotions, amethyst also empowers us to embrace our true selves with love and acceptance. Amethyst, in addition to its profound spiritual and emotional healing properties, is also believed to offer a range of physical benefits, promoting overall well-being and vitality. While not a substitute for professional medical advice, amethyst has been used for centuries in crystal healing practices to support physical health and address a variety of ailments. Its soothing energy is thought to reduce stress and tension, which can manifest as headaches, migraines, and insomnia. Amethyst is also associated with the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, which governs our connection to the divine and our overall sense of well-being. By balancing and activating this chakra, amethyst is believed to enhance mental clarity, improve focus, and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. Amethyst is often used to support the immune system, particularly during times of stress or illness. Its ability to promote relaxation and reduce stress can help to strengthen the body's natural defenses, making us less susceptible to colds, flu, and other infections. Amethyst is also believed to promote restful sleep, which is essential for physical recovery and rejuvenation.